Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Ria Money Transfer app. First, I want you to go ahead and launch the application. Once you have it installed, you can either log in or register. Let's click on register, and then you need to choose your country of residence. Okay, once you've chosen that, click on continue, enter your email and password, then tap on continue. Then you need to enter your mobile number, click on continue after that, and then enter the code that'll be sent to your number. It'll be a 6-digit code. Enter that and then tap on continue, and your account will be created. Later on, we'll need to verify this. For now, tap on continue. If you want to turn on Face ID, you can do that, or tap on not now. Now here, you can click on send money now, you can click on send, and then you need to choose the country you're sending to. There's a whole list of countries. You can go ahead and search it up as well. And if you want to change the country, once you've picked it out, you can just click on this drop down, change it. Let's say to the Philippines. Okay, by default, we'll set it to 100 euros. We can change this, let's say 50 euros, and then you'll see how much the recipient will receive in Filipino pesos. Now, this is the exchange rate. Okay, so let's scroll down. Payment method, you can choose right here. Click on this drop down. You can do ideal, credit card, debit card. I'll do ideal. Delivery method, you can tap on this drop down and choose different methods. You can do cash pickup, home delivery, bank, or mobile wallet. Now, this depends on the recipient's country you pick. Let's do mobile wallet because I want to do Gcash in this option. You can add a promo code if you have that. Okay, these are the fees, the subtotal. Tap on continue. Now, you need to enter your full name as it appears on your valid ID. So put in your first name, your last name, your date of birth, country, and occupation. Tap on continue. Enter your address, street, postal code, city, state, or region. Then tap on continue. Then you need to add in your recipient. So if you're sending it to yourself, just toggle this one on. Enter your details right here. The country will be selected. Okay. And country, region, province, and then tap on continue. Now we need to choose a wallet because we chose a wallet option, right? If you're choosing a bank account, then they would ask you to put in the bank details. Now we just choose a wallet, let's say Gcash. These are the other options available in the Philippines. We'll choose Gcash, wallet. Now you just enter the wallet mobile number. Okay, we can add it from context as well. Just type it in and then tap on continue. Now you'll see the transfer summary, right? The recipient, the destination, delivery, all the details. And once you're happy with it, scroll down, tap on confirm. And then you need to just answer some additional details. It's just if it's the first time you're doing this. So go ahead and say, let's say we're not a politically exposed person. Say no, click on continue. And then how do you know this person? You can tap on this drop down. If it's yourself, you can scroll down here, select himself or herself. Or you can choose friend. And additional customer details are required. You can choose a source of funds, let's say salary, reason for transfer. We'll leave it at family assistance. Nationality, you can pick out the Philippines. Then tap on continue. You need to do a identity verification using your ID. Okay, click on continue. Make sure you adhere to these guidelines, and just allow permission to the camera, and then go ahead and allow access and take the photo, and then just submit it for verification. There you go. And then you can consider with the process. You can tap here and track as well, and track your transfers. Otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.